Imagine this, you've just upgraded to a shiny new smartphone. But what do you do with your old phone? Toss it in a drawer? Recycle it? Or maybe, just maybe, you can find a new life for it. Have you ever wondered if you could use your old phone with Ooma? It's a question that many people ask, and in this video we're going to answer it definitively. Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a quick look at what Ooma is and how it works. Ooma is a popular VoIP, voice over internet protocol, service that allows you to make and receive phone calls using your internet connection instead of a traditional landline. Can you use your old phone with Ooma? The short answer is it depends. Factors to consider. Here are the key factors that will determine whether your old phone is compatible with Ooma. Operating system, iOS. If your old phone is an iPhone, it's highly likely that it will be compatible with Ooma, as long as it's running a relatively recent version of iOS. Android. Android phones can also be used with Ooma, but compatibility can vary depending on the specific device and Android version. Some older models may not be supported. Cellular network compatibility. Ooma uses your internet connection for calls, so your phone's cellular network isn't directly relevant. However, if your old phone is locked to a specific carrier, you may need to unlock it before using it with Ooma. Ooma app compatibility. Check the Ooma App Store listing to see if your phone's model is explicitly supported. If it's not listed, it might still work, but there's a risk of compatibility issues. Steps to set up your old phone with Ooma. If your phone is compatible, here's a general outline of the steps involved in setting it up. Download the Ooma app. Download the Ooma app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an Ooma account. If you don't already have one, create an Ooma account. Configure your phone. Follow the app's instructions to configure your phone for use with Ooma. This may involve entering your Ooma account credentials and setting up your phone number. Test your phone. Make a test call to ensure that everything is working correctly. Additional tips. Check for updates. Keep your phone's operating system and the Ooma app up to date to ensure optimal performance and compatibility. Consider a VoIP adapter. If your old phone isn't compatible with the Ooma app, you may be able to use it with a VoIP adapter. These devices connect to your router and allow you to use a traditional landline phone with Ooma. Back up your data. Before making any changes to your old phone, it's always a good idea to back up your data to prevent loss. So, can you use your old phone with Ooma? The answer is maybe. It depends on a few factors, including your phone's operating system, cellular network compatibility, and the Ooma app support. If your phone is compatible, setting it up is generally straightforward. However, it's always a good idea to check for compatibility and follow the instructions carefully. If you're considering using your old phone with Ooma, I encourage you to give it a try. It's a great way to repurpose an old device and potentially save some money on your phone bill. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.